Do you know about bison? Bison, scientifically known as bison, commonly referred to as American bison or simply buffalo, are majestic creatures that hold a significant place in the history, ecology, and culture of North America. With a rich heritage intertwined with Native American cultures and iconic status as symbols of the American West, bison have a story that spans centuries. In this exploration, we'll delve into various aspects of bison, their biology, ecology, historical significance, conservation efforts, and cultural impact. Biology and ecology. Bison are massive mammals belonging to the Bovidae family, which includes other cloven-hoofed mammals like cattle and antelope. They are characterized by their large, robust bodies, shaggy coats of fur, and distinctive humped shoulders. Adult bison can weigh anywhere from 900 to 2,200 pounds and stand around 5 to 6.5 feet tall at the shoulder. Both males, bulls, and females, cows, possess curved horns, with the males typically having larger and more robust horns. Historically, bison roamed the vast grasslands of North America in colossal herds, grazing on prairie grasses and other vegetation. Their grazing habits played a crucial role in shaping the ecosystem, influencing plant diversity and distribution. Bison are well adapted to survive harsh weather conditions, with their thick fur and layer of fat providing insulation against cold temperatures. Historical significance. The history of bison in North America is deeply intertwined with that of indigenous peoples. For thousands of years, Native American tribes depended on bison for sustenance, utilizing nearly every part of the animal for food, clothing, shelter, and tools. Bison hunts were central to many Native American cultures, and the animals held spiritual significance as well. The arrival of European settlers in the 17th and 18th centuries marked a significant turning point for bison populations. As settlers pushed westward, bison were hunted intensively for their hides, meat, and other resources. The widespread slaughter of bison, often encouraged by government policies and commercial interests, led to a dramatic decline in their numbers. By the late 19th century, bison populations had plummeted from an estimated 30 to 60 million animals to just a few hundred individuals. Conservation efforts were initiated to save the remaining bison from extinction, leading to the establishment of protected areas and captive breeding programs. Conservation efforts. Thanks to concerted conservation efforts, bison populations have rebounded somewhat from their historic lows. Today, there are an estimated 500,000 bison in North America, with the majority living on private ranches and protected lands. Bison are also found in several national parks and wildlife refuges, where they play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems through their grazing behaviors. Efforts to conserve bison involve a combination of habitat protection, genetic management, and reintroduction programs. Genetic diversity is a key concern in bison conservation, as the population bottleneck that occurred during the 19th century led to reduced genetic variation. Managed breeding programs aim to preserve and expand genetic diversity within bison populations, ensuring their long-term survival. Cultural impact. Bison hold a special place in the cultural heritage of North America, serving as symbols of strength, resilience, and freedom. Their image is deeply ingrained in popular culture, appearing in art, literature, and media as iconic representations of the American West. Bison are also celebrated in Native American traditions, where they continue to hold spiritual significance. The bison's cultural importance extends beyond North America, with people around the world recognizing the animal as a symbol of conservation and environmental stewardship. Efforts to restore bison populations and preserve their habitats resonate with people who value biodiversity and the preservation of wild spaces. Challenges and future outlook. Despite progress in bison conservation, significant challenges remain. Habitat loss, fragmentation, and competition with livestock continue to threaten bison populations in many areas. Climate change poses additional challenges, altering habitat conditions and exacerbating existing pressures on bison and their ecosystems. Addressing these challenges requires collaborative efforts involving governments, conservation organizations, indigenous communities, and private landowners. Sustainable land management practices, habitat restoration initiatives, and continued genetic monitoring and management are essential for ensuring the long-term survival of bison and the ecosystems they inhabit. In conclusion, bison are more than just iconic symbols of the American West. They are vital components of healthy ecosystems and living connections to the rich cultural heritage of North America. By understanding and appreciating the biology, ecology, history, and cultural significance of bison, we can work together to ensure that these majestic animals continue to roam the landscape for generations to come.